The automotive world is eagerly anticipating the 2025 Porsche 918, a successor to the legendary 918 Spider that took the supercar world by storm back in 2015. Porsche has a history of blending high-performance engineering with groundbreaking technology, and the upcoming 918 is expected to push those limits even further. At the heart of the 2025 Porsche 918 will likely be a hybrid powertrain, continuing the legacy of the original. However, expect this one to be even more powerful and efficient. Rumors suggest it could feature a twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an advanced electric motor system, producing a combined output of over 1,000 horsepower. The electric components will not only add power but also improve efficiency, with the potential for a short electric-only range, making it as green as it is fast. What really sets the 918 apart is its integration of cutting-edge technology. Porsche is expected to employ their most advanced hybrid system yet, which will likely include regenerative braking, intelligent torque distribution, and energy recovery systems to optimize performance on both the road and track. This car will likely hit 0 to 60 mph in under 2.5 seconds, putting it in the same league as hypercars like the Bugatti Chiron and the Ferrari 90. In terms of design, the 2025 Porsche 918 will embody the iconic curves and sleek lines we've come to expect from Porsche, but with a more futuristic twist. Expect enhanced aerodynamics with active aero features like adjustable spoilers and air intakes to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Porsche's attention to detail and weight reduction will also be key, with extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight materials. Inside, the 918 will offer a luxurious but driver-focused cabin. You can expect high-end materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and leather throughout, as well as Porsche's latest infotainment and connectivity systems. A fully digital driver's display will likely dominate the dash, providing real-time performance data and customizable driving modes to suit different conditions. Porsche has not revealed the price yet, but it's expected to be north of $1 million, given the hybrid tech and performance capabilities. The 2025 Porsche 918 promises to be a showcase of engineering excellence, combining raw power, efficiency, and luxury in one breathtaking package. It's poised to redefine the hypercar category once again.